curiosity, what idiot put this fantastic travel trailer on the busiest street, noisiest street in Napa, California? Probably my boss. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle, and today we're doing a pre-owned Arctic Fox 25Y. This, hands down to me, is the best manufactured trailer in the industry today. Northwood Manufacturing does such a fabulous job. I would put this side by side against any Grand Design and against any Brinkley, and can show you why this will always top them as far as construction. I'm not gonna say it's the prettiest thing, but it's really well built. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do about 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, weird editing, or, oh my God, folks, I've never seen anything like it. It's so innovative. Put up with the noise. Not for long though, because this thing's really well insulated. So let's get started. Now, the owner of this made sure that it had a power tongue jack, the bigger propane tanks, storage box for the batteries. Now, he added, I don't know if this is important to anyone, but he added basically about $20,000 worth of equipment between solar, batteries, inverter, things that basically he upgraded it to be a full off-grid, off-the-wall, like go out in the middle of nowhere type of travel trailer. So it has a lot more to it than a regular Arctic Fox. So just keep that in mind as we walk through this, okay? You got your black tank flush, outside shower, frameless windows, but these frameless windows are real dual pane windows, unlike most manufacturers. So it's important because the weakest part of your trailer is your windows as far as insulation. By the way, if you do enjoy these walkthrough videos, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it does help us out. I want to get to 25,000 subscribers by September 1st, 2025. You got your awning topper. Now, I'm not going to open up all the storage areas this time around just for time purposes, but you do have electric stabilizers front and back. He added the backup camera, roof ladder, hitch, spare tire, decent sized power awning. I've seen bigger on these trailers, but again, give Northwood Manufacturing a lot of credit. You know, they don't try to overdo a lot of stuff, which they could if they really wanted to. You got your 10-gallon hot water heater, 2 entrances. Hope that's locked. All right, let's go inside and get away from all this noise. The noise. Okay. So as we're inside and as we go like, oh, listen to that. We're right on the street and the noise almost got cut down to nothing. That's how well insulated this trailer is. They actually give you the full 2 inches of insulation in the walls. They over insulate the front cap. It's something I didn't mention earlier because we were outside, but like their truck camper lineup, they overstuff the front cap with insulation. They also build their own frame, so there's no frame failure / frame flex like a lot of fifth wheels do with Grand Design and other manufacturers, right? They also do a full aluminum superstructure around the entire coach. They also put wood backing into some of those aluminum studs, so that way it makes a better strength and hold on all of your cabinets. You got your recliners, big windows, good sized cabinets in the back. We'll open up a couple of them just to give you kind of an idea. Now, as I said, they are not the prettiest thing. This Northwood Manufacturing reminds me a lot of the old Heartland, not the new stuff, but the old Heartlands that I used to sell. They were the butt ugliest thing on God's green earth on the interior, but they were built like, excuse my language, but they were built like a shit brick house or a brick shit house, however you want to put it, okay? Big wide booth dinette with an oversized table, drawers underneath. You also have this nice sized pantry, drawers underneath as well. Flat screen TV, fireplace, big air conditioner, big countertops. You got nice prep space with this L shape. Now, here's where I'm disappointed. And again, it's because I like pozole, tortilla soup, big pots of chili when I'm camping. How in the hell am I going to wash that pot inside this sink? Come on, man. Come on, man. I mean, I got to not like something, right? I mean, again, good stuff. 3-burner stove and oven, microwave. You got your 12-volt electric refrigerator. Like I said, the guy who bought this, even though there's a lot of good solar kits that Northwood Manufacturing provides and offers to customers, he went above and beyond to do it. Coming inside, you got your full walk-around queen bed with closets on each side. You also have an old school corner shower. Now, the reason why I like the older school ones, now, most people tell me, oh my God, my husband or my wife can see me shower. Well, I used to say back in the day, yeah, 15 years ago, I used to go, hey, look, folks, dinner and a show. But you can close off, sorry, you can close off with the curtain. You can close it off, the bedroom and bathroom, with the, what I call the zip line little door. You also have extra closet space up here. And I like the fact that the shower and the toilet are separate. It reminds me a lot of the old school Class A motorhomes. A lot of the old school fifth wheels that I used to sell. So really good stuff. Again, if you want pricing, because I don't remember the price off the top of my head, pricing, just click on the website in the description box below. That will get you accurate pricing of what we're selling it for. Again, it's probably going to be higher price than what most people would actually look at originally. But then if you look at all the upgrades, which we can provide you a list of, you'll understand that, oh, there's value in that. Now, in the top right-hand corner of this video, there's a Northwood Manufacturing trailer. It's not an Arctic Fox. It's actually a Nash. And I think you might enjoy that floor plan a little bit more than this one. But just remember that RV always stands for toolkit and sense of humor.